crawl, boy. Use some of that marine training.
Yeah, right. I'm a little fatter than I used to be, so.
Try to get a better view.
I'm just trying to,
Get all up in there.
I don't think I can fit in there, actually, now that I'm here.
Well, let me tell you this. If you can't fit, you know damn well I ain't fitting in there.
I know that. Let's grab this out.
Though I have longer arms, so.
This is that infamous metal plate I thought was there. Just like, I don't even see a,
Like a handle.
yeah, like a lever. As we just fling them everywhere. Because typically there'd be like a little lever at the bottom, I thought, that you could, yeah, see, like, I see that guy.
Like, what would it have even grabbed?
I don't know. That's what I'm kind of curious. I'm trying to use the camera to cheat. I'm giving away all the new stuff back here, though. Well, new. This would be great if I could get back there, but this,
Get the hell out of the way. Dude, you're gonna go right through the floor. Jesus Christ.
I know. But that cross member there is kind of in a very inconvenient spot. You think you can reach back there? I don't think so.
I mean, I got like an extra foot of arm, dude.
And there's a stick, but like I said, I thought there was going to be like a pull-up lever or something back there, but...
Oh, like if you got trapped in the fucking trunk type thing?
Well, I don't think they were thinking about that back then. They didn't really care, but...
You got kidnapped.
Well, it's the same as if you died, you died.
Asbestos!
Yes,
Cancer.
something.
See, what sucks is...
That's what I'm saying, is good fucking luck, buddy.
So I can almost get...
Let me actually pop out this door. Get some airflow in this bitch.
Yeah, no, that bitch is long.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's like 6 feet.
See, it looks like that's what would get like pulled.
But
Yeah, like, but then you'd still have to pull these off, you know.
I bet you if you pull those off, it might open.
Yeah, these ones maybe.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying is them ones.
I could get. So I feel like it should move up.
Someone died of the rat in there. I got my hood up. Oh yeah, right.
That's why I said, like, even I was like squeezing, had this up against my shoulder. That sucked.
Is this stuff actually welded, or is there a way to...
Oh yeah, it's welded, buddy. Oh, don't get me wrong. That is like the fucking gluiest looking weld that I've ever seen. Like, you just took a piece of metal and just heated it up and...
that's not...
That's probably not even metal.
Oh. It is like a anti-seal, though.
Is it rubber?
What the fuck is this? I'm just finding shit. Look at that.
This thing's
like
old enough.
It's a bolt. That's weird.
That's what used to hold your tires on.
A bunch of bobby pins. Maybe they're pick locking their way in. Well, I don't even know where to go.
You know, we're touching all this stuff, but this has probably got like lead base into it.
Yeah, if I die, I die.
Yeah, if it wasn't such a long death.
Oh, let's see. Oh, this is going to be really fucked up.
Yeah, because I was honestly not even going to lie. I was like, dude, if we could just cut out that center one.
But then it's going to fuck up the seat. But I'm going to get stuck. See, the thing is, I don't even know where to go from here. Like, if we were,
you would literally have to pull the top one and the bottom two. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's 2 bolts way down there at the bottom.
Oh, we are gonna do that. Because we're just gonna show them. We're just gonna grab it all this way.
Look, a katana. Trimming for a house, you know?
Just go ahead and set it off and go. Look at that old. Oh, there's one up there. Okay, that's the other one. I didn't know that.
Sun visor. Gross. That's old Wasp stuff.
That's for the master cylinder cover up front that I just broke.
Broke the bolt off.
Tools?
Oh, look at that old school shit.
I was trying to bet this is part of the brake, and maybe that's why it's not working.
What even is the shit that it's on? Okay. Let's be that guy. The fill cap. Did you see that, John?
What's that say?
It says fill here.
Oh, it was the gas cap, probably the one that the guy bought. Oh,
is that part of the visor? That thing there?
What?
That thing, isn't that part of the visor? That sits on the front?
I have no idea. I don't know. I don't think so.
Let's say, because what else is that?
We'll
It ain't
out.
no spoiler.
We'll find out.
What in the fuck? It's a turbo!
That goes under the hood. I think it's plugged to the AC. Because this car had AC.
Caps.
We got fucking poverty caps.
We'll sell one for each one for 10 grand.
We might be able to actually sell those for more than what I bought the car for.
What in the fuck?
Assume those go around hubcaps.
More trimming. For like...
More trim. And white housing.
That looks like a light of some sort, like a... That's probably what it is, too. This is the inside version of that. Whatever this is.
You know, I'm curious. I think those go over the back wheel wells.
Oh, like
I think
skirting?
It's supposed to be like a skirt type thing.
I mean...
I think. I won't know until I'm out there.
Hops!
Breaking the tarnish. Oh, that's a,
It's for your toilet.
I think it's a, I don't know.
Like a...
Probably, it's probably a door. No, because those, what the fuck is it? It's the wind, it's right here.
Well, that doesn't look right.
Flip it, ding dong. It's snapped like your truck. Other way.
Other way.
Like this.
Ah, that makes more sense.
You know what's funny?
Oh, a
Looks like
replacement.
they had issues with the trunk already.
Ho ho ho. It's in pretty good condition. We are gonna go set this on the table though. I ain't leaving this out here. We're like that. We could kind of probably just cover up with the tarp. I'll put this in here with his wires.
Dude, it's a fuel pump. The one that's on here doesn't work. And I tried rebuilding it, which didn't work. I doubt they tried to rebuild this one.
I bet it's not gonna work though. Let's say if they couldn't get it to...
Well, look. Most
There's a
people that have these
bird in it.
I'm gonna keep that and try and figure it out.
Sure. This will sit here just because I have no hope. This is a radio cover.
Probably some trimmage of some sorts. That's a, I don't know, fuel neck of some sorts. Bunch of random parts. But this is where I'm gonna find out everything.
Everything that what?
Everything that's wrong with the car
Is going to be in the trunk.
That's usually.
The fuck?
I don't know what this is. I have no idea what that is. We do have a distributor here, though.
This looks like a button.
Another distributor.
Kind of looks like the solenoid for a starter.
It's basically what it is. I'm pretty sure this is the relay cover under the hood that the guy was trying. The guy was almost going to buy a new one, but
This is the cover that you put on the outlets on the outside of your house. Dude, people are going to be like,
you staged it. No, I've been trying to get this fucking hood open forever.
no, I mean, we literally drilled out the fucking lock. No, I was just sitting there thinking, because I'm like, everything you hand me, you tell me what you think it is, and then I give you like a complete opposite direction. Then I'll be like, I can see both trains of thought here.
But the difference is I kind of sort of know what they are already because I've had to study so much shit on this thing.
There's another light down there.
Yeah, that stuff I don't think I'll be able to reach, but...
There's a rotor over there, I mean.
That's a big fucking rotor, though, for this car, so I don't think that's for this. But this is,
the spare tire.
gas tank.
That's a gas tank?
Spare tire goes here. Yeah, this is gas tank. Spare tire goes right here. It's, these old cars, it's grooved, so you could throw a tire in the back. And it'll sit in there without rolling around. That's gonna piss me off, though, not being able to get to that. Why is it so far?
See, okay. Well,
I do have something. I could probably drill this out, but I don't want to. But it's just like this up here is really bad. Oh, of course. I was gonna say if I could just slide down that way, but realistically, I should probably just pull this out.
I would, might as well.
This is so much rain damage that
Makes you wonder how the
just mold.
seal is. Hey man, it was gonna come on you one way or another.
Oh, well.
Yeah, it was. Hey man, usually the camera guy doesn't have to do extra shit. Usually the camera guy just stands there and holds the camera, hence the name camera guy. I threw that on the burn pile, BT dubs. That's probably where it should have went anyways. Thanks. Damn near went in my boot.
Yeah, that's fine. Gotta get you back.
It is like literally so brittle that kind of satisfying. Sorry, I had to reposition it. Asbestos. Black mold. Let me touch my face now. Gross.
Dude, I really don't want to cut this. I think I have something I could cut this out, but then we will have to re-weld it.
Yeah. Well, see, what I was thinking is I wouldn't cut these out. I would cut that one out.
Yeah.
Because that one, I can fit between that fucking triangle section. I'll say, that's what I'm saying.
Here,
Well, I could still squeeze past those, no problem.
well, no, what I'm saying is I could fit in this if this wasn't here. Like I could.
Oh,
fit
yeah, that too. But those are meant for the trunk.
Yeah, I know.
So, but if we could cut this and then cut there.
Right here. I
Well-
mean, I would only cut this and this.
Yeah, we could do that too. I just figured jagged metal. You'd be dragging your gut over it.
Yeah.
I'd like to not get disemboweled by
Well, I'll be the
some
one
tetanus
climbing
infilled fucking
it. I'll lay this over it.
asbestos.
Alright, well, you know what? Let me go find, because I think I got something I can cut that, but it's going to be annoying welding that back. But then again, I mean, realistic, do I really need it?
What I was thinking is,
the whole, I think
if
we
you
can go
need
without
support
this.
in the centerpiece,
Let's be
we
real.
can always grab a piece of sheet metal.
Let's be real. This is like your old school grandma's garden, like your
Grab a fence
T-post.
post, yeah.
So I could probably cut that. So